Wendy, it's Colin. I'm wondering if it's been a little bit of time since you've been into the website and worked on it. The only reason I'm asking is because this is the modified page that you showed me. That's not the original. Keep in mind, these things are placeholders, right? If you sort of follow the information here, this is just a thing that you can right-click, you open, and then there is the library item right there, right? But besides that, here's your index page. Go to the preview in Chrome, or preview in Firefox, or whatever your favorite browser is, and then take a look at the page, okay? Now, I'm seeing this right here. So the first thing I'm going to get you to do is click on your site settings, and then maintain the site using hidden meta files. Check that, okay, and yes. Okay, so step number one, let's make sure you do that, okay? Then let's go back to the index page here, and wherever you see these things here, like a little sort of outlined thing that says, library component, Amazing Slider library component, that's just a placeholder. That's where you right-click and you go open file, and there's your slider right there, and you can follow the instructions on how to update the slider from that point on, because now you're in the actual library asset. Or you can go to the library and go to the sliders, and you can go to the full screen slider, and there's the page right there. That's sort of the default slider, I should say. There's the page right there. It's open, okay? But the content down here, that's all yours. That's all stuff that you've modified. So I'd just be thinking that, maybe you saw this and you thought that was the original. This is going to be in your page no matter what, because it's just a placeholder for the library component. The idea is where you see this sort of shiny silver box with a little file icon in the top corner. You right-click, you go open file. There's your footer open right there. Right, you save. But the big thing is, when you preview the page, so you have your page, your index page open, pretty much I just hit F12 on my keyboard, but you can go File, Preview in Browser, and like so, and there is right? That's all your information right there. So it's all been updated, and that's the way you display. So the design window is just a design window. Think of it as like it's just a thing to sort of access your components from or access your content, but it's not an actual web browser, so you're not going to see the same things in the design view as you would see in the web browser. But I just want to run that by you because the screenshot you sent me shows me exactly what I was expecting to see, so I just want to clarify to make sure that you understand there. And look at the About page, right? Everything in there has been sort of modified. There's your side menu once again. Right-click, open file. There's the side menu if you want to update it. Back to the About page, but everything looks good.